Hi there, Greg Factor here from White Black Digital. We're expert web developers and online marketers for small and medium businesses. We produce videos like this for small and medium businesses on a huge variety of topics. The goal is to help you guys out there make informed and better decisions when it comes to your website and online marketing. Today we have a really awesome topic. It's called Google AdWords and SEO Explained, and basically what we want to do is explain the difference to you between AdWords and SEO. What's interesting is it suggested that about 90% of new visitors to your website come to your website using a search engine such as Google. Therefore, it's really important and critical that you know what the difference between AdWords and SEO is. So first up, let's do an example so you can see by way of an explanation what the difference is between AdWords and SEO. So imagine you're going to fly from Melbourne to Sydney. You jump into Google and you type cheap flights because you want to get the best available flight. So let's do that right away. So here we're on Google and we just write cheap flights. Okay. So what's come up is the search result page. You can see it's broken up into different sections. Here's one section, here's another section, and here's another section. So there's three main sections on a search result page, and I'm going to explain to you what they all are. Over here in this first section, you can see all the AdWords are showing. Can you see here it says ad, ad, ad. Again, down this right hand column, it says they're ads, and these are all ads as well that are showing. Beneath here, this line, there's another section that says, it doesn't say much, but what it is, it's the organic or SEO or free section, right? And we're going to talk a little bit about both of these different sections. So we'll start off with the AdWords section, or often called the sponsored section. So what Google basically does is they charge businesses to be in this section, and the more you pay, the greater your chances are of coming up in this higher section. It also depends on relevancy. So for example, let's just say we go back to our search, which is cheap flights, and we look at who's actually showing. So we've got helloworld.com.au, we've got webjet.com.au, we've got cheapflights.com.au, and 7 more listings down the right hand side here. So if each of these guys are all related to cheap flights, well, that's great. But if another business had advertised here and they had cheap train tickets, well, that's not really relevant to our search of cheap flights. Therefore, Google would charge them more, and chances are they wouldn't be able to display their listing in this main position over here, these top 3 spots. So 2 factors come into it: price, how much you're willing to pay, and relevancy. At a high level, I think that's all you need to know for now. We then move down to the organic listing. So this is the whole free section of Google. And how do you get here? Well, basically you've got to convince Google that your content is more relevant to users. You cannot pay to be here. Google doesn't take money to be here. And basically how you get here is through SEO, search engine optimization. You need the help of an expert SEO company to get listings in this section, because it's really not easy. Something else with AdWords, with this section, is there is a huge misconception out there that AdWords are really easy to set up and manage. This is not true. Google has special courses and all of that you need to go on to actually learn how to manage this properly. Google also has what's called Google Partners. So special companies like us are actually Google Partners. That means we've done all the qualifications, we meet all certain criteria, etc., to be able to properly and effectively set up and manage Google AdWords. Be sure that when you do employ a company to do your Google AdWords for you, that they are a Google partner. It means Google recognizes them. So what should you use? AdWords, SEO, which one's better? Well, if you're a small business and you're just starting up and you need instant results, then go for AdWords, and that's enough to get you going. But overall, we recommend a dual strategy of both AdWords and SEO to get the optimum amount of results. If you have any questions or anything you need to know, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Follow us on Twitter, check out our Facebook page, so that you can stay up to date with everything that we're doing and all the information that we're providing you. Thank you. Bye.